Our headquarters are housed at Muchwa, which belongs to the Kingdom of Toro. We congratulate the King, and we thank them for hosting us. And we do a lot of things with him by nurturing the young people in education. We also have joined his HIV initiative to prevent and mitigate the impact of HIV and AIDS. Nahabweki, we are very, very excited being here today. And long
omukorogo ogwokujaguza empango eyo murundi ogwa 2009 nga Pentecosto nikwentubendeze birungi aba Sky TV.
Mwebale mnonga kutwachira.
Kale. Webale mnonga ogwo unaningania nawe niwe Vice Chancellor w'itendekero area Pentecosto University kandi okuyashoborera boni bakwatanisa mnonga na n'obukama obwatoro na mnonga omushajika programs eza government okushajika programs obukama ezikwatirine na nokushomesa abo kama bine programs tari zimwe na zimwe ezikwatena nokushomesa abana na mnonga the girl child kandi yagira ngo boni bakwatanisa okureba ngo babasa okuba basa kukwatagana kugira ngo ebintu bigende kurungi omumisho nyena nyachireho ondijo nawe tuganireho kugira ngo tubase kweyongera okumanya obukuru bw'omukorogo nakwakira aha Sky Television kandi we omukureba gambire aha mukoro na no
mwene kati aradha mwene
amabara niraka nyoka mukama Davis empaka arali kandi omukorasi habwisaza lya bunyangabo kiro kino twino mukoro mukoto muno tujaguze empango yo mukama oyo nyimba kabambi guru kidi wakana dokita tinsekti kujakirekayo akambanze mutabaruche hangiriza gutamba hangiriza mwebingwa hangiriza mukumamfuzi hangiriza ntali ya toro kiro kino kirochye kandi twina amasemero mengi korangu tuchalinda umusingi rundi culture ya toro korangu tujaguza murujunge bese coronation rundi empango bantu bengi muno barugere kuruga hero ya mahanga nsonda ni nsonda korangu beija hamukoro guno gokorangu empango tigimaliza korongi
webale mnonga inanye nango ogire
tubatangira nywena mwebale kujja kujaguza mnakira
oyo ariyo nakora imwe ebimukurani mwesimisa na mnonga bikwatena n'entungu
omukama waitu king oyo doctor bintu bingi mune byakozere mu Toro region kandi omukama ekyo kubanza ateyeho orutindo on the social economic transformation korora yemiche ntasha y'abantu korana abasomesa korora ngo nibekora nisanka abantu ekindo kinde cya kabiri arwanisize umunywerero silimu korora ngo nagugaraha Rangwa kuka tukachatambura speed ko katamburaga abantu abakene bagenze bakendera habwo kusomesa kwa king oyo ndo mukama rukira basayija oyo nyimba kabambi gorukidi wakana
bali mnonga nyenda kusima kugambo na Sky Television kanyenda ngutwendeze izoba rirungi Mbwenu ninyenangu eshaheji nkutware obase kureba uko mukoro guriyo nguza kutandika abokuba enyuma yanje procession eyo kwakira omukama niho erabeneretwa echo rakore otarugaho aha Sky Television ndi adera orishaba kandi omukoro gunza kwantugoreka gona mwene nkiriza edakikeji base kutwara obase kureba uko bariyo nibakira omukama no kwari nibaza kumuleta
otarubatera hamukaito ukira basayije omukama
kugenda omisho otaruga Sky Television orebe ngo wabasa okugumaho
mutaija
amagato agarukira abasayija omukanga wigi
tukole line aha
let's make one cue amagato agarukira abasayija tindi kuongera kukiranga ningira nkirangire kirukumara
naba masaza tyakureka
naba masaza banyorobo mukama ndangira abanyorobo mukama aba masaza abisazi abakurasi ngambo handekoa obundu kuranga nti abanyorobo mukama
kaboneke nzaire
bijakora enkara ibiri har mugabante rukunu na kunu. Let's make it as straight as we can try to make it. ha nuko biri biti kandi nuko biri biti mukama ahangirize
Poramporo Munyabyoma. Poramporo.
Okay. Abakondere ni saba mgende mtere line hali. Ni saba abamakondere.
Leka ture hongana kake.
Abamakondere kature hongana kake.
Leka balemeze kabanza balemeze.
Otyo muna abamakondere.
Otyo muna.
Ntubasaba kugenda kutangira rukira abaseija naletwa hali.
Naletwa hano.
Aha, na weki. Tubasaba mukaito mugende mukolo gwanyu hali.
Abe mukaito muije. Inya abantu tubanza twikale mbere tuliya.
Tubasaba tuirehe nyuma kataito. Tuirehe nyuma kataito.
Abe mukaito.
Tusaba tuirehe nyuma kataito abanyorobo mukama.
Obwana obutaito bumubunyerezeye nyuma. Obwentebe ziri muhanda obu. Leka buli muntu ikale imbere ali. Abe mukaito mgene mjali.
Kwegomba kwange kulika ku bantu irahe nyuma nuko nabandi bakatunga ho mwanya abanyorobo mukama bemerire nyuma twegalishiyeho kataito nuko abanyorobo mukama abandi nabo bagiye mu rukara. Insaba tuirehe nyuma kataito. Omutasorora nisaba tuirehe nyuma kataito. Tuyongere tuirehe nyuma kataito. Mutyo muno. Nisaba tuirehe nyuma bahano nisaba tuirehe nyuma. Mutyo muno. Kama abaho mugisa. Hati muri bo bugabe. Ninja kusaba abahanu mwirehe nyuma kataito. Team ya Uganda Pentecostal University, please nisaba. Can you ninja kusaba abanyakwina kamera za masimu ugikozeseze imberoli. Please don't take a step maiso kandi abarukore byo kwerinda bakagira nko kubakutalabaniza. Selector, can you start that song over again? Hawa abanyorobo mukama kwoleka ngo basemerirwe kandi bayinama ibano go kutangira rukira abaseijo mukama atarukushobora vibe y'abanyorobo mukama agaruko mu ntebe. Obuguru steri indwara busa hutyo tibwobu. Tio mzira nkorozeri. Yabo mukaito nibakora umurimo gwabo kurungi muno. araba ine simu oikale mberoli. Make sure you don't cross. Karabuli kamwasamba gekanzo abanyorobo mukama. Utyo tivo. Owa kamera ndora abanyorobo mukama abo. Salt na abandi TV zone. Nuru abanyorobo mukama basambe kanzwa. Kila basejo mukama asimbira kikali kandi abanyamirwa betekaniza hano kumutangira. Kaboneke nzei hawawe guruliera
kaboneko mwebingwa tulibawe nzei utsangira kutamba
tulibawe
hangirizo mwebingwa
tulibawe guruliera hawawe kasura banyunya tulibawe msakazi atanaganjura tulibawe ntale ya karuzika utsangire kutulikino babemi
utsangire guruliera ko wenzaire
utsangire guruliera
utsangire nzaire
hawawa kutamba
hakyaro nyamunyaka
tulibawe nzaire tulibawe kasura banyunya
nyamunyaka nzaire
tulibawe msakazi atanaganjura tulibawe ntale ya karuzika
utsangire guruliera
hawawe nzaire
utsangira kutamba
utsangire guruliera
hakyaro nyamunyaka
hawawe nzaire
hakyaro nyamunyaka uhangirizo mwebingwa
hangirizo kasura banyunya hangirizo mukumamfuzi
hangirizo musakazi atanaganjura
hangirizo guruliera
tulibawe nzaire
tulibawe kutamba
dabahu abe mkaito mwangushe
tulibawe nzaire tulibawe chebambe
hangiriza kutamba
abe bisani muleke kurubata mkaito gentlemen don't step
aba kamera mtuleke
the camera team do not cross and step where you are not supposed to step
tulibawe mara
utsangire nzaire utsangira kutamba utsangire kasura banyunya
utsange nzaire
hawawe guruliera
utsangira kutamba tulibawe nzaire
the camera team be careful where you step
duma
hawawe nzaire utsangire guruliera
duma
utsangire guruliera
wewe wa kamera tulibawe nzaire tulibawe mwebingwa tuli ba Wamara,
tuli ba Iguru Lyera, tuli ba Mwebingwa,
tuli ba
abawe Nzeire,
tuli ba Musakazi Atanaganjura, hangiriza kutamba,
tuli ba Kasura Banyunya,
hangiriza Iguru Lyera, hawa wa kutamba, tuli ba Nzeire, Hamusango Mwebingwa, Hamusanga Wamara, Kasoro Bahiga, tuli ba Mwebingwa, Omusenda Mainaro, Yibuza Butyo, Owachie Bambe, Owanyaika,
Omubyema kutamba,
Owarukidi,
Omubyema Iguru Lyera,
Tole Yezire, tuli bawe tata, tuli bawe Nzeire, abe byoma mutukezeho, DJ, tuli bawe Nzeire,
nsaba
otusangira kutamba. Tuli ba Wamara, tuli ba Mwebingwa, tuli ba Kasura Banyunya, tuli ba Musakazi Atanaganjura, tuli ba Mwebingwa, tuli ba Wamara. Tuli ba Wamara. Otusangire Nzeire, Hamusanga.
Selector Talent Africa, Wektinisa Zebedayo,
Nakatulemeza akiki nakatulemeza.
Okay.
Hamusange Nzeire.
Okay. Okay. Ninja kusaba Selector Talent Africa otwe anthems, hanyuma ya anthems tujja kutunga kusaba, hanyuma yo kusaba turaranga entekaniza koku ziraba nihonderangana. Way to anthem.
Mashariki tuwezeshe kuishi kwa amani, tutimize na malengo yetu. Jumuiya yetu sote tuilinde, tuajibike, tuimarike. Umoja wetu ni nguzo yetu, idumu jumuiya yetu. Tango ukaba
hangirizo mwebingwa.
Kusaba.
Leka tusobole ku obundazi mu maiso ga Mukama tusabe. Netujja kusaba omulujungu abakuba tuyineho n'abajungu. Precious Father, we lift up much higher than anything else on planet Earth. For you're the Lord of Lords, you're the King of Kings. You're the Lord of all. In everything that we do, you're supposed to be magnified. And upon this 29th coronation of King Oyo, we lift you higher and we magnify you. We thank you for allowing us to have this day, as colorful as it is, and we command a blessing. We ask you for the control of the weather and life to continue as we bless you, worship you, and we prosper. We speak healing to those that are sick, and we command restoration to those that are bruised, that thy name may be greatly glorified. I pray this all in the mighty name of our Lord Jesus Christ. And everybody say, Amen.
Hawawe zaidi. Singa gutamba.
Singa gutamba.
Simba mwebingu.
Konyero ntware.
Tuliba wama.
Nisaba abanyoro bo mukami twena twagire turamye ko tugaruko mbikaro byeitu.
Tuije turamye mudakika twire mabone go mukama abanyamirwa hasigale habaduma bonka kakikakana. Tuliba wama. Tuliba mwebingu. Tuliba wagutamba. Tuliba tulikina barabeni. Mpora abandi barugeyo kandi.
Admin.
Mpora no garuka cyenyuma utaterayo umugongo ukakunamira umusanga. Leka tugiyeyo bakebaka abandi bagaruke. Acho aha.
Hawawe nzaire. Hawawe gururiera.
Bona basemerirwa muno. Omuyimbo gwo kubayita. Otyo. Otyo. Aro timu yabakada kamanyire na ngamba hano mulaha mwirahi mwangushe bwangu tuliba wenzaire tuliba wamara obwire bwo kuramya bunu dakikiyemo twamarira yabakazi nabo mbandaka bahikaho mabona go mukama abakazi mwanguheyo abo nabo banyoro barukira abasaija hangiriza gutamba tuliba wenzaire abo banyoro barukira abasaija mukama hangiriza gutamba hangiriza omwebingwa hangiriza iguru ryera omujweranye no mukama akiki ogunda gunde akiki musuga omujwera ogunda gunde habwanye naitwe toro tuliba wenzaire awekitinisa akiki omunyoro warukira abasaija mukama
nisaba hano tuireho harubaju kataito
tuire harubaju abato.
My Lord the Bishop, you're most welcome. Hano nisaba abanyamirwa mumpe hakanya nisaba abanyamirwa abateina bikwatwa tuirehe nyuma nisaba abanyamirwa abateina bikwatwa tuirehe nyuma abantu bamukama tuireho mutyo muno hangiriza omwebingwa hangiriza iguru ryera hangiriza omusakazi atanaganjura imyenda yatori nywena tuli hano kujaguza empango y'omurundi gwa 2009. We are here to join His Majesty as he celebrates his 29th coronation anniversary. But there is one special person that I will request all of you to join me and give a standing ovation in appreciating her efforts that we can now celebrate the 29th coronation anniversary with our King, His Majesty Dr. Oyo Nyimba Kabamba Iguru Rukidi IV. And that is Omujwera, the Queen Mother, Best Kemigisa Akiki. Nisaba tuemere tusime nyino mukama. Tumutero mungale zamani. Let's give the Queen Mother standing ovation.
Olemere hakiki.
Akiki, we thank you for all your efforts to make His Majesty who he is. Tukusima munakiki. Agutamba tuina abagenyi ninja kubasa ninchwaho bake nindangaho bake abasoboire kweteranizaho kiro kinu obutukujaguza empango yawo yo murundi gwa 2029. Tuina Isaac Kigozi Trade and Investment ogutuli nawe hanu. Tuina Superintendent SP Amos Nwe Hereza Officer in Charge Fort Portal Main Prison. Helen Bawaya Akiki Officer in Charge Fort Portal Women Prison. Tuina Principal Officer Taiso Andrew Intelligence Officer Prisons. Christine Kanda Ogu aine kitekerezo maisoku. Director Royal Guard Kano E.H. Tahunga is also with us. Tuina USA delegation. Tuina CEO Olivia Alneyo Hanu. Tuina CEO Christian Park. Dutch Korea Nawal Hanu. Tuina Business Developer Manager Charles Pascom nawe tulinawe. Anet Kobusinga Tuoki. Bunyoro Toro Junction nawe tulinawe. Gutamba tuina Mr. Andrew Tusubira, Regional Commercial Head, MTN Uganda. Tuina Ebo Mwesije, Regional Business Manager, Western Region. Tuina Honorable Alex Ruhunda, Member of Parliament for Porto Tourism City, and Director Daj. Tuina na Francis Lubega, General Manager Wadaj. Tuina Manume John, Head of Security, Mountains of the Moon University, and former Vice Chairperson, Bunyangabo District. Tuina former Mayor, Reverend Kintu William Hanga. Tuina Andrew Adieri Kilozo, nawe tulinawa hanu. Tuina Omukuru, Kurugambio Kwerinda, Janet Aine, Deputy Director General, Habwa Eso, Rundi External Security Organization. Tuina Rashid Kiyimba, Director Uganda Tourism Board. Tuina Naron Kawamara, Vice Chair Uganda Tourism Board. Tuina Kaija James, Executive Director Kai Group of Companies. Tuina former Deputy Prime Minister Tinka Stephen Amoti. Kandi tuina radio stations na TVs nyingi zinikuja kuba nikumanyisa agutamba. Tuina Kano Godfrey Chomhendo for Division Commander. Tuina Senior Superintendent of Prisons Hashaka Samson, Deputy Regional Prisons Commander Western Region. Tuina Major Benon, Mountains of the Moon Political Commissar. Tuina Major Adons Kamukama, Deputy Regimental Commander, 47th Artillery Regiment. Tuina Major Sali, Commanding Officer, 16th Infantry Battalion, Muhoti. Tuina Omnyoro Isingoma Kusemererwa, Nomchiarawe, Head of Liaison in DRC, Goma. Tuina Centenary Bank Team, Namugenyi Mary, Nandera Grace, na Bwetware Francis. Agutamba for now, abo nubona sobora to recognize their presence, abandi ninja kuba ninyongeraho.
Bona bawenzaire.
Tuli bawenzaire. Hangirizo mkumanfuzi. Selector mpahoga some backup nuko sobole kubantu ongeraho ekintu kindi.
Tuli bawo mwebingwa. Tuli bawo amara. Tuli bawo msakazi atanaganjura. Tuli bawenzaire. Tuli bawo msakazi atanaganjura. Tuli bawo ibuza bujyo. tuli bawamara tuli bawa mwebingu enzaire abantu bona batoire kandi ekitinisa kya Toro kiloho tulibawo mwebingwa tulibawo msakazi atanaganjura bigere bisaga mu muhanda tulibawo mwebingwa antusara nturumika bwangu bwangu habo bwire akutamba mukasumi kanu ikiriza nsabe His Excellency Neil Holder to step forward and introduce the team and give your brief remarks. Thank you so much. tulibawo enzaire bona bawe enzaire yeri isaza lyaitu ogo wisaza ogupaka ogo wisaza
Your Royal Majesty, Her Royal Majesty, Queen Bess, the Queen Mother, Honorable Prime Minister, the Parliament of Toro Kingdom, distinguished ambassadors, other dignitaries, specially invited guests, the people of Toro. I am His Excellency Dr. Neil Holder, the Special Envoy to His Royal Majesty for International Affairs. I have the pleasure today, Your Majesty, to introduce your guests, amongst them being your Special Envoy to the U.S., to the people of Toro. Your Majesty, I am happy to introduce His Excellency Ambassador Dr. Brian Bolt from the City Reach Church, along with his entire delegation. Ambassador Bolt, please stand. Kindly join me. Would the City Reach Church delegation please stand? Your Majesty, Her Majesty, I invite your Special Envoy to give a brief remark.
Your Majesty, it's such a blessing to be here. We are grateful and thankful that God has raised up a king that loves Jesus and that loves the Lord. We're grateful and thankful for the Queen Mother and everything you do for the Toro Kingdom. And you are a great world leader. And we are so excited to be here to support the vision of Toro, to see people lifted up, and to see Jesus Christ lifted up. We have your back. We support you. We care so much for you. And we are excited for the next few days, and especially on Sunday for the crusade. We believe many people will give their lives to Jesus Christ, and we'll see miracles, signs, and wonders for the glory of God. Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Your Majesty, permit me and Her Majesty to invite His Excellency Ambassador Keith Smith from the Tabernacle of Praise Church in Texas. Ambassador. Brief remarks.
His Royal Majesty, King Oyo, Her Royal Majesty, Queen Mother Bess, it is our extreme honor and privilege to be a part of this great celebration, your 29th year reigning as king. I thank God for his mercies and grace upon you all, upon the Toro Kingdom. I pray that God's continued favor and prosperity upon your reigning, and that your legacy will continue in unity. May God richly bless you. It's our honor to be here from the state of Texas and Tabernacle of Praise. We love and appreciate you all in all of Toro Kingdom. May God bless you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Your Royal Majesties, I would like to acknowledge the presence of His Excellency Ambassador Holland. Could you please stand, Ambassador? Thank you, Ambassador. Your Majesties, please permit me to invite someone who is not a guest of Toro, but now a very stable and staple part of Toro Kingdom every year, Dr. Iyanka Rodriguez, to stand. Your Excellency. Thank you. Your Majesties, from the United Kingdom, I invite Reverend Carr to stand to be acknowledged. Reverend Carr, where are you? There he is, Your Majesties. Reverend Carr, could you please make your way here?
And a joy to be here on this special occasion. And I greet you on behalf of my pastor, Julian Richards, and Sarah, and on behalf of MCWE and Living Hope Ministries. Thank you for the work that you are doing, for your vision, your youth, and your determination.
Thank you. Your Majesty, I have two special guests. They're very familiar to yourself, Your Majesty, but not to the kingdom. This is their first time. I invite Pastor Clement, David, and Cindy. Could you please stand to be acknowledged? Thank you so much for loving His Royal Majesty, Her Majesty, and Toro Kingdom. Your Majesty, we have another special visitor today from Kenya, acknowledge. God bless you. Thank you. Your Majesty and Her Majesty, I have the pleasure of also introducing to Toro Kingdom a couple that is very familiar to yourself and Her Majesty. I ask Pastors Gina and Jimmy York to come forward. Could you please join us here? Making their way to speak to His Majesty, I would like to inform you that they are both coming from the state of Georgia in the United States. Pastors York, the microphone is yours.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty. Good afternoon, Queen Mother. Thank you for allowing us to be a part of your very special day. We congratulate you. Thank you for allowing us to be a part of the Toro Kingdom in helping your vision come to pass. May the Lord bless you and keep you and make His face shine upon you all the days of your life.
Majesty, Queen Mother, thank you so much for showing your grace to us today and allowing us to come and speak before you. We pray the blessings upon the Lord upon you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. At this time, I would like to ask all United Nations peace ambassadors who are with us to stand to be acknowledged. All excellencies and your association with the Kingdom of Toro through His Royal Majesty the King and Her Royal Majesty the Queen, our Queen Mother. I also want to acknowledge the pastoral delegation of King's Palace Church while I'm here. Could you please stand? Those of King's Palace Church from Kampala. Thank you. Your Majesty, I want to take this opportunity to acknowledge Bishop Dr. Moses and the pastors of Fort Portal at this time, those who are engaged in bringing your royal crusade to fruition. Could you please stand, pastors? Thank you very much. Your Majesties, I bring greetings from my mom, who was here yesterday, but she's a bit unwell today. But I bring you her greetings and special blessings. I'm obliged, Your Majesties.
Hangiriza gutamba, hangiriza omwebingwa, hangiriza iguru lyera, hangiriza kituli kinobera abemi. Bona bawe nzaire. Bawe wamara. Bawe msakazi atanaganjura. Tuli bawe nzaire.
Agutamba empango ya abiri na mwende nwebeire empango yembaganiza muno kantusima mukama ruhanga kujifora yembaganiza mulingo guno otungira abagenyi baingi kandi kisemerire ngu omanye baro agutamba nyina listi nja kulengaho kusoma ninda kyao twina Madam Monica Karungi RDC Kyegegwa District ogu akozera omulimo mwingi kandi omukoto habukama bwa Toro. Twina Father Bernard Bitekerezo Parish Priest Butiti Parish. Twina Bishop Kyaligonza Sebastian Christ Bible Church na Tete Kampala. Twina Pastor Florence Kyaligonza na Tete Kampala. Twina Father Isabrie Emmanuel Kuruga Kyarusozi Catholic Parish. Twina Victor Atuhura Rally Catholic Diocese of Broken, Australia, care of Butiti Parish. Twina Bumali Kibale Lindi weitu olhandikire kundi na Kuruga Kyegegwa Town Council. Twina Assistant IGP Uganda Police Force omwibara lya IGP omukuru Bamunoba Ubaldo alineitu hanu. Twina RPC omukuru Bwire Joab SSP. Twina Deputy RPC Ninsima Godfrey SSP. Twina SP Kisubi Andre ogu DPC CPS. Twina OCCID Nachibad Harriet nawe tulinawa hanu. Twina the PRO omukuru Vincent habwa Uganda Police Force Rwenzori West. Twina the Vice Chancellor Uganda Pentecostal University Professor Pelusi Ntambirweki nawe tulinawa hanu. Twina Judith Mukidi Woman Representative Patriotic League of Uganda representing omukuru Michael Nwagaba Toyota. Twina Professor Edmond Kagambe representing the Vice Chancellor Mountains of the Moon University. Twina Mrs. Rosalind Sally Dean of Students Mountains of the Moon University. naba members of Mountains of the Moon University nabo tuli nabo hano. Tuina obukwenda kuruga hali Honorable Mama Wabana, State Minister for Local Government, Honorable Victoria Businge Rusoke Atwoki, na yetonda ngutasoboire kubaho habwokuba agenzere kuzika Kisoro omumaka gabanyubo mukago abayira abatasobora kubura kutabaho. Tuina Uganda Tourism Board staff, Uganda Tourism Board staff and board of directors tuli nabo hano. Tuina Uganda Wildlife Authority Kibale National Conservation Area Chief Warden tuli nabo hano. Tuina Honorable Alex Ruhunda MP Fort Portal Tourism City. Tuina Honorable Linda Irene MP, Woman MP Fort Portal Tourism City. Tuina Honorable Stella Kemgabu, Deputy Speaker Kabarole District. Tuina Honorable Kabajwara Margaret, Secretary for Gender and Tourism Fort Portal City. Tuina Honorable Tomu Bright, Kuruga Omchegegwa, tulinawe hanu. Tuina Businge Emmanuel, Deputy RCC Fort Portal Central. Tuina Ariho Moses, Deputy RCC Fort Portal North Division. Tuina SSP Nisima Godfrey, Deputy RPC Rwenzori West. Tuina Brigadier General Mbaine Julius, Assistant Chief of Defense Intelligence and Security CI. Nawe tulinawa hano. Habwa hati kambe ngarukiraho nyete orubazo rundi nuko recognitions ziragumizamu mpora mpora. Ko kumukimanya ngu nindenga okora cyone kirikusoboka kurora ni manyisa rukira abaseijo mukama ngo mukitinisa cyawe iwanya kwehereyo kwija kujaguza nawe oroho ninja kuguma ninchwaho bakebake baitu nebindi nibigenda omumaiso.
Tamba hangirizo mwebingwa, hangiriza Wamara, hangiriza tulikinobera bim, tulibawe nzaire, tulibawe mwebingwa.
Inu mpango agutambe bayire mpango yembaganiza habo kuba abali hano bayingi kandi bona ninja kora cyone kirikusoboka mbasomo manye ngo baro. Tuina abana bengoma, ababito n'ababito kati. Tuina nyino mukama wempeka Mirembe, Patrick Wamara Kiki and former RDC. Tuina presidential advisor
ahangiriza gutamba
Misach
ahangirizo mwebingo
Adieri. Tuina the uncles and aunties of His Majesty the King. Please stand up for recognition. The aunties and uncles of His Majesty the King. Let's give them a round of applause.
Tulibawe nzaire.
Ya mukasumi kanu munyikirize no kwebundaza nyete omuhikirwa waitu ubukama bwa Toro Amot Stephen Kiyingi aije asobole kuhayo orubazo nuko hanyuma yeki nabwo ndayongera ndange ebindi ebimpairwa kuranga.
Hangiriza gutamba, hangirizo mwebingwa,
hangirizo mwebingwa, hangirizo mkumanfuzi, agutamba omukama Dr. Oyo Nyimba Kabamba Iguru Rukidio Wakana, omujwera Akiki nyino mukama, Akiki Musuga, ba minister kuruga mu government ya hagati, abamyoka bange, abakurasi mu rukurato rukuru orwihanga, wekitinisa Rwigi, amagatwa, abakuru ba madini, abajwara kondo, abaana b'engoma abagenyi baitu abarugire mu bukama bwa Bunyoro Kitara, abakuru b'ebitebe ba district ba RDCs, enganjani zaitu kuruga enseri ya mayanja, enganjani zaitu kuruga mu bitongole bitali bimu, ensinganto emyenda ya Toro Inywena. Nimbaramukya mu ibara ery'omuhendo erya Yesu Kristo, kandi kunu kutabarukya agutamba rukira abasaija omukama waitu, agutamba onyikirize nkutabarukya empango eya 29 kwiha okujumura engoma y'abaswenkuru ntabarukye omujwera akiki nyina omukama akiki nyina omukama abaana b'engoma n'emyenda ya Toro yona habw'empanga eno eya 29 hangiriza agutamba ninyongera kusiima agutamba habw'okwikiriza ijo empango ekatoma na kiro kinu kusinga omubatungwa bawe kandi n'okwinura kutangirira agutamba onyikirize omulingo gw'embaganiza ntangirira omugenyi omukuru ba minisita ba gavumenti n'abakurasi b'orukurata orukuru orwihanga abasoboire okuba hanu kiro kino. Nkimanyire kurungi mucyumba itukire kandi mwayecwamu ebichweka habw'okuferwa mugenzi wanyu w'ekitinisa Sarah Mateke anyakubaire Minister of State for Defense kandi woman MP wa Kisoro arikusendekerezebwa kaire kanu Nyakabingo Kisoro. Mukama amuhumuze mirembe. Agutamba onyikirize nyongere okutangirira n'abagenyi bandi bona abali mu mabone gawe na muno banu abali hagati omulitwe.
Hangiriza agutamba, hangiriza omwebingwa
engabwa kuruga mu bukama bwa Buganda, Speaker w'olukiiko ow'ekitindisa ali wano simirira.
Hangiriza enzaire, hangiriza omwebingwa
ow'ekitindisa Patrick Luwaga, Speaker w'olukiiko lwa Buganda, kandi aizire mu ibara lya Prime Minister wa Buganda ow'ekitindisa Peter Charles Mayiga, ow'ekitindisa Mariam Mayanja Nkalubo, Minister wa Buganda alukujunanizibwa ebintu bya agenda rundi ebyo bulungi bwansi n'abandi, ow'ekitindisa Samuel Sempebwa, member wa Buganda lukiiko, hamu na okay engabwa kuruga mu bukama bwa Buganda abo mbamazire ba bishop n'abakuru ba madini nywena n'abandi bona abagenyi abanyakurugire enseri ya mayanja na muno America. This is a special invitation for our visitors from the United States of America. You are most welcome for this occasion today, and your being here is a great honor. Engabwa za makampuni n'ebitongole ebya gavumenti n'ebitali bya gavumenti, amagatwa, ruigi, abakurasi n'abamasaza abasaza bawe, ensinganto haroho abegi ba university abepakire kuruga Kampala hamu n'emyenda ya Toro Inywena abali hanu kiro kinu. kuno kusiima agutamba onyikirize nkusiime habwo obuhabuzi bwawe oburungi kutekaniza empango enu kandi ninsiima n'omujwera akiiki nyina omukama habwo obuhabuzi bwawe akiiki na byona ebyokozire mu kutekaniza empango enu
ogundagunda akiiki
nyongere nsiime ebitongole n'abantu banu habwo obukonyezi batuhaire agutamba Ministry of Tourism, MTN, Microfinance Credit Support Center, Uganda Tourism Board, Uganda Wildlife Authority, Uganda Breweries, Centenary Bank, Uganda Revenue Authority, Uganda Revenue Authority, Uganda National Drug Authority, Move It Products, Chief of Defense Forces, Chieftaincy of Military Intelligence, I think the name has changed these days, Toro Military Group, Toro Parliamentary Group, namuno owekitinisa Atenyi Butime, owekitinisa Kafuzi Jackson Arali, owekitinisa Alex Ruhunda, chairperson wabo, owekitinisa Faith Kunihira, chief whip wabo, owekitinisa Tom Bright.
Tulibawe nzaire, tulibawe mwebingwa, tulibawe amara.
Sprouts of water nebitongole bindi byona agutamba. Ninyongera kusima magatwa gawe agutamba ba Deputy Prime Minister owekitinisa Ngabo William Kwemara, owekitinisa Abuoli Nyakake na magatwa agandi gona.
Hangiriza agutamba, hangirizo mwebingwa.
Baitu agutamba ninsaba itwena tusime igwatwa liyawe owekitinisa Beyeza Abuoli Tito na team ya Uganda People's Defense Force UPDF omuwiki emu bajanjabire abantu 137
hangiriza agutamba, hangirizo mwebingwa, hangiriza wamara
agutamba obukama bwawo bwona baburabiremu bajanjaba batungwa bawe bakaba Kyenjojo Hospital, Kyegegwa Hospital, Rukunyu Hospital, Ntara Health Center 4 Kitagwenda, Kibito Health Center 4, Kalugutu Health Center 4 na Fort Portal Regional Referral Hospital. Nitusima Town Clerk Fort Portal City na health officers, Director Fort Portal Hospital, DHOs, CAOs, medical superintendents, doctors in charge na abakozi abandi abakwatisanize na timu yeitu kujanjaba abantu abo. Naiwa gutamba kusima ngu hakiro kya mazarwa gawe Butosa habaho surgical camps yo kujanjaba abana abaino obulema kandi hampango habehoga medical camps zo kujanjaba buli muntu. Abamasaza bawe agutamba bakozire kikoto kukunga abantu omumpira gwa masaza omubyo bwomezi na muno medical camp muno medical camp ezhoire baroho hanu mu mabone gawe agutamba nisaba bamasaza mwimuke agutamba abarole omugalisha Kitagwenda omuhukya Kibale, omutaizibwa Kyaka, omuhenda Burashya, omunyaka Bunyangabu,
tuli bawenzaire,
omukumbya Ntoroko,
muhike
omutalesa Mwenge South,
tuli bawo mwebingwa muhika musango mutasorora muramyirukira abasaija tuli bawenzaire,
omuhabura Mwenge North,
tuli bawenzaire,
n'omutasorora Fort Portal City,
tuli bawo Amara.
Sound check. Sawa.
Agutamba ntwongera kusima Salt TV, ntusima BBS Telefina, ntusima radio zaitu ezatoro n'abanyamakuru habwoku tukora omulimo omulungi kularanja iraka n'okumanyisa abantu empango enu ey'omuhendo ya 29. Agutamba nitusima meya town clerk Fort Portal City habwa tukakoragana nawe habwa clock tower tukekora design n'ekitongole kya Capital Outdoors bajikiriza kurungi buli muntu wena waizire Fort Portal kiro kinu atangirirwe entale nkoto muno kandi esaha egi buli saha emu enyenkyakara n'esaha musanju hamu n'esaha ey'omukairirizi emu n'ezina ekizina ky'obukama bwawe bwa Toro.
Ahangiriza Agutamba, ahangiriza omwebingwa.
Nitusima district local governments habwokoragana nungi n'obukama. Agutamba kawo bakatusindikira kawo bakatusindikira ba district education officers n'aba inspector twahanura nabo nkoku turamanyisa ensinganto mu masomero kukwatagana n'obukama n'okubegesa engeso n'emirwa yaitu ey'obukama bwa Toro. Bakawo bakongera batusindikira ba community development officers nabo twahanura nabo kandi ba CDOs bakayikara mu rukurato rukuru nka ex officials. Agutamba ntakamalirize ninsaba abantu bano abantu abalizeho kandi bali hagati mulitu Agutamba omujwara kondo wa Bunyoro Kitara omunyoro Kabagambe Kalisa
Zawamara
ninyongera Agutamba mabone gawe twina ayali omuhikirwa ayali mu miyoka wo muhikirwa Tinka Amoti Kaliba Atenyi.
Tinka Amoti.
Tinka Amoti hamu na Kaliba Atenyi. Ubaraba baroho bemere.
Sito mujaguzi. Hangiriza Agutamba. Hangiriza omwebingwa.
Kandi mu mulingo gwembaganiza Agutamba ni saba kutangi Kibagaya Princess.
Tuliba wenzaire. Tuliba umukumanfuzi. Tuliba omusakanu n'okwabutosa obu nituhondera entegeka yawe eya Vision 2045. Agutamba ninyeraganiza n'amagato agona n'abamyoka bange n'abamasaza kukora obucweka ihembe kutwara obukama bwawe omu maiso n'okwekambisa abatungwa kukora n'amani baruge Mubuna
habwo kukonyera amaso byolekerwe mu Coronation Magazine etukozere nuko baleke kuhendeka bonka omukukora emirimo yabo agutamba. Agutamba n'obuturaba tukyeinamu kutalabanizibwa nitwija kukora obukama bwine entashya erukumara nuko obusobole kweyemerezaho bwonka. Tuli mu tourism city Fort Portal nk'obukama n'abantu bawe. Twine kukora abatungwa bawe abali mu Tooro n'abali Kampala n'ebichweke ebindi ebiri mu diaspora nibyeyongera kugonza n'okujumbira entegeka z'obukama bwawe agutamba. Hangiriza agutamba hangiriza omwebingwa
hangiriza enzaire hangiriza iguru lyera hakyaro
agutamba hangiriza omwebingwa hangiriza omukumanfuzi
tuli bawamara
hawawe nzeire hawawe kasura banyunyi hawawe msakazi atanaganjura. Agutambo nyikirize haro abana abato hano abarikwenda gira nko kubayoleka kusemererwa kwabo nuko eki obukahwa agutamba nyina list habo kuba basemerirwe kandi berekeseze byona baja guzaneiwe kakuba antabasoma ukamanya ngo baro
nibahaye abojo ngo holigwa no baligwa olemere agutamba ngolemere ho mwebingwa ngo bawo wamara bawe kituli kinobera bim tuli bawo wamara tuli bawo mwebingwa tuli bawo agutamba tuli bawo wamara tuli bawo wamara mpora bisiki mtabaro bati abisiki murabeho mpora mu maziri tuli bawo enzaire hangiriza gutamba hangiriza omwebingwa
When kingdoms rose to power, Toro stood tall in Uganda's hour, founded by Kaboyo, a brave and mighty soul, a dynasty born with a story to unfold. Through centuries passed with strife and strife, Toro endured a testament to life. Kings and queens with wisdom and might led their people through day and night. From Omuka's palace, a symbol of might, a place of wisdom where culture takes pride. The Batemuzi and the Bachwezi are people of old, with customs and traditions worth more than gold. May Toro's spirit forever stand, a beacon of hope in this land, guiding generations yet to come, a kingdom's legacy forever won. So let us celebrate this beautiful land, with a king who leads with a gentle hand. May Toro's beauty forever shine so bright, a kingdom's splendor where love takes flight. We work, we smile, we work together, we build and create, we make our Toro proud, it's our fate. What makes our people poor? Unemployment. What makes our land poor? Unemployment. What makes our youth poor? Laziness. We work, we smile, we work together hand in hand, in Toro's fields and factories so grand. We plant and harvest, we build and create, we make our Toro proud, it's our fate.
His Highness King Oyonyimba Kabambi Guru Kid IV, the king that I admire most in the whole world. Queen Mother, royal family, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all. Today marks a significant milestone in the history of our great king. We gather here to celebrate the 29th coronation of our beloved king, who has sacrificed his life to the service of Toro people. Over the past 29 years, His Majesty has demonstrated our kingdom's leadership, fostering economic growth, promoting cultural heritage, and enhancing the well-being of our citizens. His Majesty, you have been the wind that has blown the clouds of despair, bringing sunshine to our land. But I must say, the journey has not been with its challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, our land is no longer facing pandemics of diseases, but the habits of our people are pandemics too. Like a wild beast, HIV is eating up our land. Question 1. Why should we educate a generation that is going to die of HIV in the meantime? 2. If we are actually pointing fingers, who's responsible? 3. What about sugar daddies and mummies roaming around streets to steal and confuse our children? Who is responsible? 4. What about us young children learning up in the year 1937, King Rukidi I, who went to meet the ancestors, said, "Let us build a strong foundation to people." Personally, I admire becoming your children's ambassador. Maybe one of your ministers or even prime ministers one time. Making me a children's ambassador will allow me to teach children about the beauty, culture, and norms of Toro, since they can easily fellow children. I remind Nasasra Jeremiah Sith from 4TV Media Club. Long live our king, long live our kingdom. His Highness, us as Media Club, we beg you to come, we beg you to take a group photo with us. Hangiriza mkama wetu, hangiriza mwebingu, hangiriza kasura banyunyi.
Nikyo kibera ekyanyenkya. Tuli bawo mwebingu muhike mu mabone, muramye nuko mugaruke cyenyuma nyuma mugaruke. Mwebala abatobato. Tuli bawo enzaire. Tuli bawo mwebingu. Bana bakozira omulimo gw'amaani. Nekitinisa nyamwingi. Tuli bawo amara. Abaiseki bali enyuma batiza amaju. Tuli bawo amara. Bana batendekerwa kurungi kalicha.
Okay. Abawe enzaire.
Omukama hangirizi.
Hangirizi iguru lyera. Hangirizo omusakazi atanaganjura. Tamba nkoko nkusabire onyikirize nsobole kusoma abagenyi bawe abakweteranize okujaguza empanga hano bashemere. Tuina Honorable Kamukama David MP Bunyangabu, tuina Chairperson Kabarole District Aboki Richard Rwabuhinga, tuina na on behalf of Mr. Simpson Birungi atasobeire kuba hano baitu nibasima enkwataniza. Tuina Oweki Patrick Lwanga, Speaker Buganda Lukiko, Rwiziro mwibara lya Prime Minister. Tuina Wekitinisa Maria Mayanja, Kalubo Minister for Bulungi Bwansi. Tuina Wekitinisa Samuel Sempebwa, Member of Buganda Lukiko. Newe ntukusima webale kuija kwetere agutamba. Agutamba tuina ba chairpersons LC5 bona barukuruga omu bukama bwawe kandi baine kika nibasaba bahike mabone gawe barami. With your permission agutamba ninkusaba abebembezi baitu abo bahiko mabone gawe.
Tuli bawenze.
Ba chairpersons LC5 nimbasaba mujwambule habobwire ina listi ya maana hano indukusoma.
Tuli bawenzeire.
Bebyendema. Abebyembezi nywena abebyendema ninsaba hano natungi bara ombutongole Mayor Entebbe Fabrice Rulinda, your worship. Thank you for joining His Majesty on this 29th coronation anniversary.
Tuli bawo mwebingwa.
Ba members of parliament.
Angiriza wamara.
Mayor Kenneth Kaliba, please step forward.
Tulebawe Zaire. Tulebawe Wamara.
Paulo Agaba Owamunu.
Aliyo amacumu n'ebitara bya
TV Life FM hamu na Brightop Kyegegwa agutamba Life FM turubasire nayo omumpaka z'omupiira ogwa Toro Kingdom MTN omukoro gunu guli live ha Life FM hamu na Brightop hangiriza iguru lyera hangiriza omukumanfuzi hangiriza omusakazi ataganaganjura abo nuba abantu abamu waitwa gutamba abatwinaho nabwekyo nyikirize ntekeho one performance nuko item endi enkuru ekurateho bwangu hangiriza iguru lyera hangiriza omukumanfuzi abegi ba Crane hai kuruga Entebbe nibenda kuramya kwonka tubaina ene performance ohiro kuramya abegi ba Crane High please from Entebbe. Executive Director is a former Minister of Education in Toro Kingdom. Omukuru Peter Birungi achali nisaba mjwambule bwangu abegi ba Crane High.
Tulebawe Nzaire. Tulebawe Mwebingwa.
Nisaba murahukeo habwo bwire.
Tulebawe Wamara. Tulebawe Nzaire.
Abo begi agutamba ijwera hawabungire kasume katali kahara abo begi ba Crane High Executive Director ntukusima omulimo okozire abo begi agutamba nuborugire kubungira isomere eri kurore birikufayo no kubekambisa
Tulebawe Mwebingwa.
Agutamba in another special way ntusima Uganda Pentecostal University abakwatanize neitwe omupira ogwa masaza ogwa Toro Kingdom MTN amasaza cup ntusima Vice Chancellor Kik Pelusi Ntambirweki for the job well done kandi na hanu tuina team ya amani yokozere obwa ushering agutamba hampango yao yenu ya 29 nitwaro mugisa kusima aba masaza mwenda nimbasaba aba masaza mwimuke tubatero mungale za amani habo mpira gwa masaza tubatero mungale za amani agutamba aba masaza bakozere omulimo gwa amani nimbasima muno mwebale nabo abo mukozire nabo
Tulebawe Wamara. Tulebawe iguru lyera. Omusakazi atanaganjura. Tere bisaga muhanda.
Mukitinise kyamani nyongera ninsaba weito muhikirwa amoti ni weino obusobozi n'obujunanizibwa kurange kirukwongeraho
Tulebawe Nzaire.
Hawawe Nzaire hawawe mukumanfuzi hawawe iguru lyera hawawe ntali yakaruzika
hangiriza gutamba hangiriza Mwebingu hangiriza mukumanfuzi agutamba mukasumikano nobwe kwebundazo kwingi ninyenda oikirize owekitinisa speaker wa rukiko rwa Buganda wekitinisa Luwaga aizire n'obutumwa bwawe n'obukwenda bwawe abaire nasaba gutamba abukuhikyeho
Tulebawe Nzaire. Asimire Nzaire. Tulebawe Wamara. tuli bawe Nzaire, tuli bawe Mwebingwa, tuli bawe Musakazi atanaganjura, tuli bawe Bigere bisaga mu muhanda, tuli bawe Kasura Banyonya, tuli bawe Kasoro Bahiga, olemere Nzaire nkoburu nibo baterera hamwe andara butatikire
otya muna kutamba Honorable Wandera
awawe Nzaire awawe Guruliera awaito muhikirwa Amoti muhikirwa just a minute
tuli bawe Mwebingwa
agutamba nokwebundazo kwingi muno mukasumi kanu tukusaba agutamba otwikiye urubazo rwawe Omwebingwa
tuli bawe Nzaire twaja kure kuruga mu ntale y'Omukama tuli bawe Wamara tuli bawe Mukomanfuzi omunyabyoma tugehezeho
omjwera akikinyino Mukama honorable ministers mu government ya gati okorasi mu rukurato rukuru rwihanga wekitinisa omikirwa n'abadepite bawe omjwera Musuga abembezi bedini LC5 chairpersons our districts this is A2 Right Reverend Bishop Brian Bolt with the entire City Reach Church, His Excellency Bishop Keith Smith and your family, Vito na Vito Kati, wekitinisa Rwigi, Amagatwa, abagenyi beiti nywena, emena yatori nywena. Nindaro mgisa guno kutangira abantu nywena, abo kuija kujaguza empango. Yabire na mwenda kuruga Njumura engoma yabayisunkuru nyowe
tuli bawe Nzaire hangiriza Mwebingwa hangiriza Wamara
ninsima Mukama Ruhanga anyakutuhikize hamwaka gwa 2009 n'obusinge kandi ninsima abona awutuyambire omukoro gw'empango y'omwaka guno nimpicha kuganyira kwange haba abantu bisaza lya ntoroko arakutalbanizibwa amazing ninsaba government kuteka integeka yo kwirukira abantu beitu abanyakuli mukubona nyakambesa imende ya tori nywena kujumbere integeka zokama zenkurakurana no kukora na amani twina model farm y'Omukama mugijumbere haliyo bingi ebyokwega kandi tuteyiraho entegeka okutandikaho model farms mu masaza gona g'Obukama
tuli bawe Nzaire olema kutamba
tukatandikaho kwegesa ensingato emirimo y'engaro nuko basobole kweyemerezaho bonka nteyiro entegeka yokombeka ICT center y'omutindo gweiguru yokubanza mu Bukama bwa Toro kuraba mu foundation yange ya King Oil Foundation nuko kitsobeseze kwegesa ensingato ebya computer technology
tuli bawe Nzaire tuli bawe Mwebingwa
nyina okunhira ngontwija kukikingura mukasumi akatali kahara ninsima muno ensingato hamwe emyenda ya tori nywena okujumbera empira yitu ya masaza omwaka guno habeireho abantu abake abaleseremu ensobi ensobi zino zitatwiha hakigendererwa kyeitu ekikuru ekyokukumakuma abantu na muno ensingato
tuli bawenzaire
kweyambisa empira kwegesa ensingato kumanya nokugonza obukama bwabo kwegesa nebyobomezi hamu nokwimucha taranto zabo nindagiro mikirwa kurora ngu ensobi zona zagororwa mu bwangu kandi empira erayongeraho ezanwe kurungi obu nituhikiriza ebigendererwa byayo
hangiriza kutamba hangiriza mwebingwa
omwaka gurukwija tutandikaho nemzano ebyabana bobwisiki
duma kutamba
kandi kusigikira abantu nyamwingi abajumbire ompira ninsaba government kutombekeraho ekizaniro ekyabuhinga omu Fort Portal City
tuli bawenzaire tuli bawe guru lyera
kuno kuterera ekyokubanza kubyara emiti numurora mu bichweka bingi enjura tekyagwa kurungi nituterwa ekyanda n'obusume obukulimiramu buhindukire nitufera amagesa kandi nituburwa entasha omu maka bino nitwija kubifusha buturabyara emiti oburwaire bwa silimu bugarukire bushaka kandi bweyongera kinu kiresirwe muno abantu kweba nokutekereza ngu oburwaire buno kandi kiswaza kusanga nibweyongera ninsaba buli muntu wena anyakul hano abakuru bedini abembezi bona abakuru bamasomero abanyoro bobukama abakuru benganda abazeire nemene yatori nywena kutwara obujunanizibwa kwijuka buli muntu wena
dumenzaire tuli bawe mwebingwa
ekyakabiri ebyamataka hali abantu abarukusisa ibara ly'obukama mu bwire bwa polimpo nkabuno abo nibasera obwebembezi eki ntujja kukifusha beitu haroho abandi arukugenda nibabiha abantu ng'obukama nibugenda kubabinga amataka gabo ninkigarukamu busaba muntu wena nomu abarabinga abantu amataka g'obukama
tuli bawenzaire
awawenzaire awawo kumakazi atanakanjura
tuli bawe mwisakika
aba abantu nibasera harutungiro obururu abali amataka g'obukama mukoragane na Toro Kingdom Land Board mutunge lizi rundi ebaroha erokuoleka ngu haitaka oroho mubiragiro kandi busaho arasobora kubabingaho
tuli bawenzaire tuli bawamara
itaka lyanyu itaka lya Toro itaka lya batoro
hangiriza kutamba hangiriza mwebingwa hangiriza iguru lyera
nimalira twine kyota mpango obutaramara empango eno mugijumbire kandi ekigenderwa ekyota mpango kyokoleka ensi yona oburungi bwa Toro nyineitwe nimbagoneza okujaguza okurungi kandi ruhanga balinde mwebale muno
awawenzaire
hangiriza mwebingwa hangiriza wamara hangiriza iguru lyera hangiriza kituli kinobera abemi tuli bawe mwebingwa tuli bawe wamara tuli bawe kutamba
awawenzaire agutamba hano
kutamba webalenzaire tuli bawe mwebingwa
agutamba hano nyinaho
tuli bawe wamara tuli bawe mwebingwa tuli bawe kituli kinobera abemi tuli bawe wamara tuli bawe nzaire tuli bawe mwebingwa
roll it down selector agutamba hano tuinaho give me the backup the background agutamba tuina Peter Banura LC5 Kikube district now at hano kandi tuina chairman land board Toro Kingdom atenyi tugwezera hano Tuina na secretary we byamataka omubito Kagoro Wilson na wali hano. Nintwaro mugisa kumanyisa gutamba ngu tuina ba RDCs, ba deputy RDCs na assistants bona tulina bahano mbukama bwawe kandi amagatu agona agutamba in a very special way on this 29th coronation anniversary. Abanyamakuru bona nibenda kwija kuramya.
Muruga kamere nyuma.
You can go and also exhibit your right to His Majesty the King. I don't know who regard your cameras. Yes, move forward.
Yes, yes, journalists.
Please, you do the first estate, please. Exhibit. Let the cameras capture you. Abanyamakuru nywena. Mugarukira aho. That is the limit. Otio. Who covers you? I don't know. You leave your cameras. We'll go with your cameras. Tuina bakaije country cottages abo bahiro busagiki habwa abagenya abamuna abayizire bali kibedi mugusu off Kasese Road. We also have a team waitwa kutamba kuruka Great Britain. Tuina Drake, Calvin and Isabel nabo tulinabo. Then tuina obukwenda kuruga Queen Mother Best Nursery and Primary School.
Aha.
Bona bawa gutamba bali nkabo kama bo mwiguru bwabo.
Ogo nibamweta Dorini.
Aha.
Kitara cya
abanyamakuru abasigaire mu dakikemu.
Abanyamakuru abanyakusigaire yo mugisa gwanyu. Muteye kwasa ngwito tukatsikari tukara mu kamera tuturamye umukama.
Amagato agarukira abaseija. Mugende muramye umukama amagato agarukira abaseija inywena musimbule mu dakikemu bwangu.
Abwoli beyeza ngugwa twebembire. Mpora
amagato agarukira abaseija.
Mpora bwoli.
Nabo bukwenda bw'abantu babiri hano nuko tugende ha instructions ezinde zintungire. Amagato agarukira abaseija mukama. Abahikirwa ba deputy obihikirwa.
Tuliba mu ebingu.
Hawawe nzeire. Hawawe mtamba. Hawawe iguru lyera. Hawawe musakazi atanaganjura.
Tuliba wa mara.
Holi kwa nhondi kwa kutamba.
Tuliba mu ebingu.
Hawawe tari akaruzika.
Ninyama ninyowo. Tuliba wa mara. Tuliba wenzei. Tuliba ukasura banyunya. Awe. Tuliba wencha nungi.
Ya twina na Dr. Arunga's Eye Hospital. Abarukora
wa mara. Tuliba mu ebingu. Tuliba wencha nungi.
Dijelo. Gutamba hagati omulito twina Director Special Duties in State House. Major Kakoza Mutale and Senior Presidential Assistant to His Excellency the President. Nabo tulina bahano.
Ahangirizo mwebio.
Agutamba nyinaho bukwenda kuruga Queen Mother Best Nursery and Primary School. Nintekereza bunu tinsobora kuruga hano ntabusomere. Ogwigato lyawe lyebyo burambuzi agutamba kozero mulimo gw'amana dieri ano mnyoro wawe job well done. Agutamba kwenda bunu buhandikirwa mu Lungereza kandi nintekwa kubusoma nko kubuli. Your Majesty the King of this great Toro, Dr. Oyo Nyimba Kabamba Iguru Rukidi the Fourth, our King. It is with great pleasure that we celebrate this Mpango Festival, Coronation Day, in this royal gathering. Your Majesty, our beloved King, allow us, the family of our beloved Queen, the staff, Queen Mother Best Nursery and Primary School, to say congratulations upon this well-deserved coronation. Your Majesty, with your warm and helping heart, we have seen your work tirelessly with much interest and commitment to develop this great and mighty kingdom through your various initiatives as seen in the entire kingdom. Congratulations. To our beloved Queen Mother, Your Highness, Dr. Best Kemgisa Kik, with great pleasure, we congratulate you upon bearing for us the most handsome, adorable King, is one we are celebrating with in today's coronation. May you remain blessed, kicking and bouncing. Long live Queen Mother, long live Toro Kingdom, long live our adorable King. This message, Your Majesty, is from Queen Mother Best Nursery and Primary School. Agutamba tuinaho na Executive Director Susan Opoktu Musime, onu nuwakwatanize, ekitongole chikwatanize, nobukama bwa Toro, kugara abana bobwisiki omwisomero. And on record, bakozero mulimo gwamani muno. Banu Baba Forum of African Women educationists, Uganda, in partnership with the Toro Kingdom.
Ahangiriza kutamba.
Agutamba ningira norora nkokundu kutalibana hano habwokuba abantu basemerirwe kujaguza neiwe empango ya 29 Braytop resident Mukubo Fort City hano nyinaho ebindi ninja kuba nintwaza kusigikira ha instructions ezimpairwe baita kuire kanu tugenda
Ezaire
ebisani ninja kubiranga nkoku mbihairwe
mukasonda hano hakiki twine abana ba youth center abakorwa skilling center kakuba mwemerira hakiri mukahubaho mukono
agutamba abajenjojo sugar factory Katara nabo nibasagika kandi basagikire empango nibakutabarukya
tuli bawe Nzaire tuli bawe Mwebingwa tuli bawe Gururiere
munyikirize bantu ba Mukama ndange Mukama atakakubira habwemirwa ende rukurataho weto munyamirwa nyikiriza malire program wenu. The first photo, Your Excellency, New Holder, please lead the team led by Bishop Bolt to take the first photograph with His Majesty the King.
Mubyemo Mwebingwa mubyeme Nzaire mubyemo mubyemo Agutamba mubyemo Mwebingwa mubyema Agutamba
munyikirize hoyongereho Chief of Protocol Minister of omukwenda wa Right Reverend Bishop of Fort Portal Diocese Dr. Kiki Robert K. Muhirwa Kiki tulinawa hanu in a special way tukusima wetu Reverend Father Peter Chomhendo kuba to represent the bishop. Ni saba team ya UBL UBL be prepared to step forward next. The UBL team please be prepared to step forward next. Agutamba, as UBL is moving forward, owekitinisa basaliza nitekereza mudakika ekwijja kwongeraho noija kuba Agutamba owekitinisa basaliza ayina obukwenda kuruga mu Mukama munywani wawe aheru y'obukama bwawe bwa Toro kandi nja kusaba ateho omulingo ogwa bwangu kuroro obukwenda obu nubukwikaho. After that agutamba haroho abatungwa bawe abanyakwina abanyakwino baino bukwenda bwo kwikya haroho abarukwenda kwikya gutamba Honorable Mugisa Crispus from Kibale East Kamwenge nasaba kuhikya omabone gawe enkorogi 5 agutamba obo bukwenda.
Office of His Royal Majesty Omukama of Toro Kingdom Oyo Nyimba Kabamba Iguru IV, Uganda. My dear brother, on the occasion of your 29th anniversary, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to you for another remarkable year on the throne. It is always a magnificent sight to witness the unity of a kingdom in celebration of enduring ties that binds its people. Though I had hoped to personally attend this auspicious occasion, pressing obligation prevent my presence. Nevertheless, please rest assured that my thoughts and prayers are with you. I fervently pray for rain that will continue to uplift your people and elevate Toro Kingdom to greater heights. The journey to realizing the promises we have made to our people is indeed a demanding one. Yet we are entrusted with the moral, social, cultural, traditional responsibility to lead all seasons. We must remain steadfast in our path towards prosperity, for Africa of our dreams must be achieved and passed on as a legacy to our children. It will be a great honor to welcome you as our distinguished guest at Elevate Africa, scheduled for the 10th and 11th of October. I also look forward to visiting you in Uganda in the near future. Wishing you the most joyous anniversary. Long live your Majesty. His Majesty Ogiame Atuasi III, the Olu of Wari.
Nisaba MTN team, please to join the king for a photo. MTN team. MTN team, please join His Majesty the King very fast. As the Executive Director, Talent Africa, and your wife get prepared. And followed by Microfinance Support Center. Then we have Uganda People's Defense Forces to be on alert as we take those photos very fast. That's MTN. Microfinance Support Center, please. Let's move fast, ladies and gentlemen. UPDF, please. UPDF, move forward. And as we move on, you got Microfinance Support Center. You are next, please. Next is UPDF. Let's move fast. Let's move fast. Next is UPDF, please. All UPDF officers, please step forward. We have very few minutes. Next is Uganda Police. Could you be please just behind UPDF and Uganda prisons? Let's move very fast. Then the political leaders in Nywena abanyakule hano ninja kubasaba mwetekanize enyuma ya Uganda prisons bwangu. Then the team of the Deputy Director of External Security with your team, wait to Nikusaba, be ready there. Let's move fast, the team. We are done with that. Let's go to Uganda Police Force. Uganda Police, please. Uganda Police, please move forward. The Executive Director, Talent Africa, with your dear wife, you are next, and then prisons will follow. Executive Director of Talent Africa, please, with a dear step forward very fast. Uganda Police is done. Thank you so much. We are trying to move fast because of time. Executive Director Bwana Ali and your wife, please move forward with your team of Talent Africa. Then the political leaders will follow next. And then Uganda prisons will follow next. Okay, Uganda prison is next. Okay. All political leaders, please step forward. I have to try and move as fast as I can. Next after the political leaders is the Deputy Director of External Security Organization.
Tulubaho msakazi atanaganjura. Tulubaho bigeri bisaga mu muhanda. Kasura banyunya. Tulubaho Wamar. Oguba mweta kasoro bahiga.
Deputy Director of External Security Organization is next after the political leaders.
Tulubaho mwebingwa.
Move it, please. You are going next after the. Can I have the deputy? Wonderful. Thank you so much, Madam, with your team. After that is Move It, and then International Justice Mission, please. Then Centenary Bank, Uganda Tourism Board, UA, and Ministry of Tourism. Then we also have Uganda AIDS Commission.
I don't know bwana bwetano butakweba kiki nimbumanya boke amaiso gali amsanga aba masaza muhumule ukira abasajja aramire wandera mbaja kuduma aba masaza obwo taba ekisane kibakwekoro tuli bawenzaire nomanya kinu ekiro tukirigaruka mbomezi bwensi tumuryongera mukakiboneka empango ya 29 ikirabireho ombuleme bwarukira abasaijo mukama terigarukeno ubwera mara kura yakuire hati nicyo kurura ba masaja mbarwanira kucweke ntehe kiti ya 29 tabarabaho batati ne barabaho paka tuli Wamar.
Van Dutch from United States of America, please step forward very fast. International Justice Mission, please move a little bit faster. Centenary Bank.
Wekitinisa kiki wandera. Wanagamba iso. abasomerwege mwongereho. Tulibawe Nzaire, tulibawe Wamara, tulibawe Mkumanfuzi,
Yeah, let's try to move fast in the interest of time. Yandangirege Centenary Bank, Uganda Tourism Board, UA, Minister of Tourism. Okay. Meanwhile, the Buganda delegation, be ready, and the Bunyoro delegation, nenyo mube ready. Aha, nsomere ya Katikiro, lead the team. Omuhikirwa wa Bunyoro in a special way tukutangira na timu yawe nyumkongera kuterwa ekisani narukira abasaijo mukama. Tuina na speaker w'urukiko rwa Buganda na entourage yawe weitu. Meanwhile, abahikirwa abahumwire nenyo mwetekanize. You can step forward please. Abahikirwa abahumwire mwetekanize. Abebembezi bedini nenyo nimwija kutunga ekisani na rukira abasaija. Mudakika nke nja kuba nimbasaba led by his our Lord the Bishop kuja kuterwa ekisani handa hakaho reka tubanze tusome ebinyakuroho bino. Abarukuterwa ekisani bano, this is UA, Uganda Tourism Board and Ministry of Tourism. Ntubasima muno abo mulimo mukozere. Dr. Beyeza, I hope you have your Uganda AIDS Commission team ready. Barugireyo. Okay, that's wonderful.
Agorobya kutamba.
Tubasima Uganda AIDS Commission abo mulimo mukozere together with Uganda People's Defense Forces. We appreciate the partnership. Abahikirwa abaherizo mukama, and the next will be ba uncle and aunties abo mukama muja kuija nenyo mterwe ekisani. The aunties and uncles of His Majesty the King, you are coming next. inywena mwija kwizira hamu. After this City Reach Church, led by Pastor Bill, you are coming next for the ED, Reproductive Health Uganda.
Araliogo.
Pastor Bill, you are coming next. Lucky, excuse me, you are obstructing. Lucky, please. You are obstructing the main coverage, please. Pastor Bill and the team is coming next. Let's move fast, please, ladies and gentlemen.
Abanyameru wenye muinganizege abuamuru wagundi okukwija kuongeraho enu empango yembaganiza muno nicho muri kurora abantu bona bayinekeka hakiri batunge kisani yakiempango ya 2024
gutambo mutungwa wawe ayasiga muzamiri rwazinire kizina utansiga genda karuzika na waro hanu kujaguza na iwe mpango ya 2024. Aba masaza mugiyeho hariho no bwana buri weitu mukama wange bwana buri usabirege kisani aba masaza tujuambule ED Reproductive Health no ija kujiyaho leka aba masaza barugeho aba masaza ni basaba tujuambule bantu bamkwama aba masaza ni basaba murahukeho ED Reproductive Health gumisirizeho kataito gumisiriza kataito lebande kabamalire ED Reproductive Health just a minute let's clear the place ni saba mwemere kurungi mutahuma humirangana barungi aba masaza n'abanyurubu mukama musekesekeho abamasaza nimbasaba tujwambule idi reproductive health, please step forward very fast. Abamasaza murahukeho, deni idi reproductive health jaho bwangu. Abana nimbasaba step forward hanyuma yeke cha idi mgume haishi yaho.
Tuliba wenzaire.
Nisaba abantu bamukama ninkimanya abamu usobora kutakigonza rundi kisoko tabasemeza baitu instructions ezinyina ziri mu bwire. Aleka batera abana. Nisaba bebembezi.
Tuliba wenzaire. Tuliba omwebingwa. Omusakazi atanaganjura.
Okay. Nisaba abana bato bato barugeho, please. Antiporage step forward bwangu.
Tuliba omwebingwa. Ba wenzaire.
Oguna kwasa receive that on behalf. As our religious are coming, Equity Bank, please, mraukeho. Equity Bank, step forward before the religious come, please. Abebembezi bedini. Ekachweho kabamalireki, please. RDCs and RCCs and assistants, please step forward after the religious.
Ahangiriza omwebingwa.
Foul, please move fast. After
tuliba wenzaire. Tuliba wamara.
Wekitinisa nesta banzo lindo kateita wakatubanze abanyadini barugeho. Just a minute. Bapa bakwegesa abana bo bwisiki abakuru abagarukireyo kandi aba that's executive director wafa barukwegesa abana bohara aba
Tuliba wenzaire.
Okay, RCCs and RDCs and deputies and assistants. Mukama nakuba genda kujwala ekondo.
Tuli bawenzaire awawa mwebingwa tuli bawa mara abanyamirwa mwetekanize nuko tugenda hamurwa ogundi oguli kuongeraho kila basaija igenda kujwaza ekondo ajwaze busuti na biganja kandi nko kumbagambira buli kasumi ngo ururimi rw'ekikali nirwahukanaho n'ururimi rwaitu rwa buri kiro emirwa n'ingeso byona bisibikwa hano karuzika ahurira omuntu narahira nyowe ndi mutoro kaswa kalifwa murani mugenda murunaga amaiso murula kaswa akamurahira nyowe ndi mutoro kaswa nyonde munyamwenge kaswa ona gamba nyonde musita kaswa ndi mubito kaswa ndi mugwere kaswa akaswa karo hansi mutagenda mutakaruzira inyo na muroleyo nuko cyoli kurahira ocyetegereza abo abana baitu inya bakutekaniza urucuba mubanze mulinde mutakole kintu kyona urukira basaijo mukama atakayinuwire omuntu wena atesamura akanwa urukira basaija kucyo bwara inora mubayiriki otesamura akanwa kawe ukanagaye kintu kyona apataiti akajya kubura urukira basaijo baramara kuinora inywena numugenda kutunga cyo kurya kandi abanyamirwa kamwa yangu hayi ruhanga wange ruhanga reta sazin banzo gumira ha mugurusi banzo lindeho munyamirwa umugurusi barongo leka tuije tukumanyise mbutongole ruhango lubanze ryemere bana bakazi bona babatakatize bibero hano abona bayikare hansi abakazi bari yaho bateze bibero mteze bibero abakazi yaho sit down sit nyo down teze bibero kebe mono erahango kurabaho oyemerire natuija kuterekereza abakamera akasumye bukarahika hano tugenda kufurukaho hano guno muhanda tugenda kugaruka saidi yenu so abakamera mutandike kwefura mpora nimuyinganize tugarukia rubaju bano bagambira abakamera television iwa homberoli TV West Mroyemeri ati wa yezo muzigare saidien abantu abandi tumuli kwijja kusobora kugenda mu rugo oija kusigara kuno nukurukira basaijo mukama atahe mu rugo kandi agenda kasenda abanyabitebe bona ningira bahikireyo abajwara kondo hamo n'ebitebe ebindi ebirikwebembera emeru. Our TV yont ai arugya mucyari tutamuduma banza twehuguli nitumugoza bitukano akasumi tukalika aha yewa ya mziye mwezi mutuganyira abaturata bayijura betumbwire bwo murwa mutuganyire genda itu sana abanya kutemberwa moya hikirire moyo muhikirire bwa ai owasirimuka moyo muhikirire abantu abandi twebwa ebitine sana byahigune itu sana abasirimukirwa moyo wemeru wasirimukire nimurora
aboki mpaka hano Ladies and gentlemen, for those that conversant with our tradition, coming up next is an item, a traditional item that His Majesty the King has to attend some issues in the arrangement, as you can see. Some of these things do not have the grammatic words in English. I just do not have to risk and turn them the other way. I just have to leave them the way they are, and you see them the way you see them. But the whole instance here is the has to attend a session in the traditional huts, as you can see. They are members of the royal family who are already there and waiting for that session to take place. Cultural, as you can see, His Majesty the King is not supposed to step on the ground. And for those who were with us yesterday, I did say we have different structures led by different clans. So as you can see, there are those with drums we call empango. I call them weapons, but they also have a role to play in as far as the security of His Majesty is concerned. There are those you saw taking a picture in very big numbers. Those are administrative elders in the kingdom. We have county chiefs, we have sub-county chiefs, we have delegates.
N'abajwara kondo bona betekanize bali mukujwara hati.
So the royal family members are already in the traditional huts, waiting for His
Ababito
Majesty
n'ababitokati.
to attend to that session.
Toro erimirembe kandi ababitokati bakimanyire ekiyabo umurwa gwabo guhikire.
And you see the traditional capital, the mats, are specifically for His Majesty. And be very keen to watch that now he will be putting on another attire. And that is specifically for this session.
Omugurusi kamujobe naye batukutangirira webale kuija kamujobe okasatu manya.
Some of you enjoyed the royal dance yesterday, and we are sure in the next session you also join and enjoy. Yeah, Talent Africa, we salute you, the entire team. That one, Madam, is it Susan or something? Julie, in a special way, wherever you are, stand up for a round of applause from your team. Yes, Julie, stand up. I mean it. Julie, stand up for your team to give you a round of applause. Thank you for the job well done. We salute you. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, those responsible are doing whatever it takes to make sure that things are done in the right way. We have a very rich heritage. Very, very rich heritage. Very cool, calm, and polite culture. As you have observed, our dress code for men and for women.
Obwira ntutanga abakazi kutaha mukaji wako betati ababitokati nibagenda muchwa mbere turikubaliza nimuri abantu nibadikira buri muntu ali mukitebe cye kandi nakuli kasenda naho bamazira kwikara abanyabitebe egiye bamuchwa yababitokati.
In a very special way, ninsaba abantu bamukama mutweteranizeho kusima abanyamakuru bona ombitinisa byanyu tubatero mu ngale za amani habwokuba empange n'ubusaho mbere tarukurorwa ezo za abanyamakuru engaro naba hano mutere mu ngaro nsima abanyamakuru bano. Yeah, you deserve a round of applause.
Nuko kugamba enumirwa yaitu yenzarwa kandi abantu abandi batakitwara kundi busayi mirwa yaitu yenzarwa.
Yeah, in a very special way, we would like to thank Uganda People's Defense Forces for joining hands with Owektinisa Dr. Titus Beyeza Aboli for the job well done all over the kingdom. We also want to thank the Division Commander, Mountain Division, Uganda People's Defense Forces, for the job well done. We appreciate Uganda Police Force, the RPC, the DPCs, and all the structures, FFU and CT, and intelligence. We want to thank Uganda Prisons for rehabilitating our communities where you have them, both men and women. We also want to congratulate and appreciate the efforts of the Internal Security Organization, the RISO and the DISOs. We appreciate the Office of the President, the RDCs and the RCCs for all the support you have given to Toro Kingdom whenever contacted and whenever approached. In a special way, we want to appreciate the DPCs in all the counties of Toro Kingdom, where the Toro Kingdom MTN Amasaza Cup has been going through. When RPC, I want to inform you that the entire police force in all those districts has been very, very cooperative. We appreciate the traffic police for their efforts, counter-terrorism. The zonal commander, thank you so much. FFU, we appreciate. We appreciate the Royal Guards who have kept our king secure. Lieutenant Ajuna Patrick and your team, and the Commander Royal Guards, we thank you. Abanyamiru inywena ntubasima mwebale muno omulimo mukozere akuba empango ebamirwa mwebale muno. Nimbasaba tutera abanyamirwa mu ngaro, tera abanyamirwa mu ngaro abokuba abanyamirwa bataroho batakozere mirwa na abantu haburaho kikoto muno hampango empango kutoma buli abanyamirwa baroho kandi bahikirizo bujunanizibwa bwabo. Agutamba hakasimba msanga habumura gwekondo kandi nomurwa ugenda muchwa gorobye iguru lyera
kaboneke Nzaire,
gorobye mukumanfuzi
kaboneke Wamara,
kaboneke ntare ya Karuzika, hawawe Nzaire, tulibawa Gutamba, tulibawa Msakazi Atanaganjura, tulibawa Achebambe, tulibawa Mwebingwa,
tulibawa Wamara,
tulibawe Agutamba,
Nzaire, tulibawa Agutamba, tulibawa Nzaire,
yebembirwe
mwekula mahangu
omujwera musuga
mwekule rahango bote
Charles Kamraso Murokole
Duma duma. Duma duma duma. Duma duma duma. Duma duma. Duma duma. Duma duma. Duma duma. Duma duma. Duma duma.
Awawenzaire.
Duma duma.
Awawe iguru lyera.
Duma duma.
Awawe musakazi atanaganjura.
Duma duma. Yikamta kuduma. Duma duma. Duma duma.
Turibawenzaire.
Mule kurba tamukaito. Oje muzeyi tumuhanda turabukati.
Gorobyo musakazi atanaganjura.
Duma duma. 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 Duma. Duma duma. Duma duma. Duma duma. Duma duma. Duma duma. Duma. Duma duma. Duma duma. Duma. Duma 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 duma.
Kale tubasaba aho mwamukeho mugaruke emyanya enyuma mwire enyuma.
Duma duma.
Tubasaba mwireye enyuma.
Tuliba mwebimbo.
Arubajirwa amabala hali.
Duma iguru lyera.
Tubasaba kwirahe enyuma.
Duma duma okutamba.
Tubasaba inywena aho murugeho. This time omukama baraba nagaruka. Tubasaba inywena hano mukiriyaringeho. Tubasaba hano itwena tukiriyaringeho. Tubasaba tukiriyaringa hano.
Duma.
Tubasaba kwire enyuma. Aha bana tubasaba kwiraye enyuma kataito. Excuse me, tubasaba hano. Twireye enyuma. Tusaba hano kwiraye enyuma. Twenda mukama baraba naruga muchwa.
Lemeza.
Asobole kurorwa buli muntu. Tukusabe simu yawe.
Duma duma. Duma. Duma duma. Duma duma. Duma. Duma duma. Erezo mwana kikuhimbere kitebe moyo. Duma Duma. Duma Duma. Duma Duma. Duma Duma. Duma Duma. Duma. Duma Duma. Duma. Duma 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 Duma.
Eliasega. Eliasega. Elianyarwa nyamuri hebura mgufanga kukumuka mkura bwitansam. Kasisi muziye mwezo kabere miri wabwe kuno mwenda kazobanya muhanga ruhandire sabire mgo. Cherenga mkaza yerenga iwa. Arikwerenga terwe kisongora ngwe baliro manaje takibira chugo mchikara bro mtongera kusoma handa kuri batire. Nyarwa nyamuri hebura mgufanga kukumuka. Twizalewe cherenga omkaza yerenga iba ali kulenga aterwe kisongorera nkubebe ali umana na jeta kibinda tugo mchikara bro butonganira kusoma handa guli bati twizenda ya abaki abanyarwa obukuro bwitansam kasisi muzi nyamwetu akabire miyi baramwe kuno mwenda kasabanya muhanga ruhangire ngusume mgo
Tule bawe zaire. Abisaza abisaza. Abisaza na abanyoro bwira bwa makondere. Mwije tuguruka makondere. Mwije abana bato mla. Mwira bwa makondere. Mwije tuguruka makondere. Adier kogere. Oije na bakaikuru bona. mutweteranize abanyamakuru abamasaza abanyoro b'omukama tuli bawenzeire abana b'isomero bari ahantu hano babembaguruka mwije muguruka amakonderi murugeye murabe ha mwije muguruka amakonderi murabaho mpora mbakayikurwa muyimuke mwije hano abayu senta mwije murabe ha kandi mwizira kwikara konka abakibito bara kibito bana basigaze niyaha kalchiro nanka mwangushe buno bwire bwa makonde byo kwikara bwire atirikira wasayijara ara kwinora tulaba wenzaire kaboneke nzaire kaboneke mwebingu tuleba wamara singa gutamba hawawe nzaire singo mwebingwa tuleba wamara omujoeranye n'omukama akwasizemu amakondere tuli bawenzaire tuli bamwebingu ababito kati abana nigonza muguruka amakondere bala abana ba Kibito Senior Secondary School Youth Center nisomero ryitiro berano rungi mwije bwangu muguruka amakondere oborabo teine suka oja kwesika haibega twende kujaguza no kuguruka amakondere abana bisomero tukimanye tumwina masuka betumurgeyo muguruka amakondere nimukwata ibega mpora kitumisa kitundisa kiatoru tulibawo Wamara tulibawo Mwebingwa alikwemera yambuke Bulega alikulengende muniginywa kamaizi tulibawo Wamara holi gwan hondi gwenzaire alikuliza amaizi ndi mulize Sagamu tulibawo Wamara tulibawo Enzaire
abantu bona mbenda kugura sanzeni
Nyarwa nyamuri ya haiguru amagufanika kunkumuko bukurura bwitansambu kashinsi muzi yamwe to kabire mire barambwe kuno mwenda kansi cerengo mukaza yerenga iba ari kurenga terwe kisongorera nkubere ari yo mana ajeta kibinda kigo mutikara bro butongani akuzo muhada guli bati hawa kutamba kuwa tulkinobera be
tulibawo Enzaire tulibawa Wamara omusakazi atanaganjura iguru lyezire mirembe Toro abakamujobe tinkubarora kamujobe chiakamanya bala omukama ayezire amakondere negana
wano rebe nyuma yanje abantu bariyo nibazina ekikumanywa nk'amakondere kandaga naguba kuzina omukama yaheza kugamba akakora emikoro yona ekahwera ekahika aha muhero omukugamba kwe yagamba aha bintu bitari bimwe na bimwe omuri ebyo yagamba aha bantu abakwendera oguyayongera yagamba n'aha nshonga ey'abantu abari kwendeza ebyabo bari kugira ngo nibenda kubinga abantu omu mataka ari kugira ngo amataka n'ag'abantu abari omu bukama utine muntu nomusheme kwerarikirira ngo nibenda kuja kumubinga omwitaka okwiyaho yahiga abantu okufayo bakatunga ebyapa ningashi ebihandiko bishire ebyamataka ago bari gukoreraho emirimo yabo kugamba kwena n'abantu be yayongera yagamba ari kushaba obuyambi na munonga hari yabo abantu bantoroko abarugire kutera amataba abantu bingi bakashishikarirwa ebintu byabo n'ebindi bingi kwehayo okureba ngo eminyeto negira empinda hinduka eyayeteraho ikabasa kwetungura ahamwe na n'obushagishe buhango bwe obariyo nibakora kandi nawe yaraganisa omukama akujaguze empango eyo murundi gwa 2009 unabona ibijagumani bakwatanisa nawe kugira ngo obukama bwatoro bweyongere kugenda kurungi omisho ojike ngo batakizire haha babanzaho omukushaba okwaba aha kanisa kandi kwaba kwebembirwe ori Bishop Ruben Kisembo Amoti kandi ogo mukugamba kunjera yagamba nanaha sirimu nawe eyonjire munonga